Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday, so we're getting prepared for the week ahead. This is just a real quick, because YouTube they doesn't allow my video to be too long, more than 10 minutes. I don't know why. I don't know the reason why. So this video is just need to be very short, very quick. So I think this week, this week was very very bad for me. I did some stop losses this week. I hit stop loss on GBP, USD, GBP card, NZD chef, NZD card, I hit about four stop loss in a row. So though I think I won Euro USD, AUD card, something like that. So I think with that to win, we recovered some losses, and all that. So Joe put me in small profit, but that is very, very bad, because when I see setups, I always like to share, but when the risk is big, at times, it doesn't go as planned and all that. So this is a Euro USD. You could see first thing in trading is this. There is something that I need to understand in this trading stuff. First thing that I need to show you something like this. Market always do it. And that was some reason that made me, I know this. I know in trading, at times there's something that you see in the chart, you might not figure it till you hit your stop loss. So something like this, when you see markets trending this way, trending like this, higher high, higher low and all that. Now, let's say I now see my structure shifts, and as usual, my strategy always says that when you see your structure shifts, look for inducement somewhere around here. If markets pull all the way down to this level, then target the other block as your point of interest on a structure shift in the market. So now when you see this structure shift, let's say there's an inducement here, or markets came all the way to this, what is it called? Breaker block, tapped in here, couldn't break this low, and then market now came to this other block, then pushed to the downside, and then this is not a then the trend now continues to the downside. Whenever you see something like this, don't look for any buy at these zones. All these zones, all this level now becomes trend line liquidity. Don't look for breakout blow, don't look for don't look for anything. Wait for market. In market, take out this low before looking for anything buy again, which is this. Now, when you see market take out this low, look for your shifts in market structure again. Now, this is a shift in market structure. You need to see an inducement market tap you on a breakout block or other block. Now, let's say this one, we got our inducement at other breakout block. Now, let's say you now have a small retracement market now coming to your breakout block, then boom to the upside. Then, if you're now on a long run, don't look for any sell at this level. Don't look for other block breakup. Don't look till market take out this high, and you now get a shift in market. So then you continue, selling to your downside or whatever. So now this is what is it called? This is Euro USD. This is shit. This is Euro USD. So now this Euro USD, I saw this reaction from this level. So what did I do? When you see a reaction, or when you see a break of structure, market gave you a break of structure properly, and then you need a retracement to this breaker block so that the trend will continue, and you want to catch that retracement to the downside. First thing you need to do, once you see a reaction on higher time frame, which is this, I'm now seeing, you can see how many candle closure at this level. This 4 hours time frame, one, two, three, four, wicking with a wick. So when I see it, I'll come here. I need to put my what's it called, horizontal line and all that, put it at this level. Then What I need to do is go back to know where the reaction is actually coming from. Now, oh shit. Let me go to daily time frame, please. This 4 hours is wasting my time. Now, this is a daily time frame. You can see where it's reacting from. Hold on. Now, where is reacting from is a zone, but we're expecting markets to come and take this high out on daily time for this trendline liquidity. You can see I've already drawn this, and I know that all this level are trendline liquidity. Once this zone has been, broken, I know that all this level is trendline liquidity. So I don't need to be looking for any long-term sell from here. I'm only looking for buys at this zone. But based on where market is reacting, is a very strong zone. So I need to cut that retracement back to my breaker block, back to this zone. So now I've seen that yes, market is reacting from that level. Now let me come to my 1 hour time frame. Now coming to my 1 hour time frame here, um, coming to my 1 hour time frame. Now I've already seen my breakout structure, which is here on 1 hour time frame. Then see this breakout structure. Let me zoom it. See this breakout structure here, and I've already seen a pullback to this level, kind of tapping the breaker block, and then markets sold. I now consider this level as my inducement. This level is now my inducement. Now, market, see what market did. Market came to this inducement, tap me in, then drop. And this was before FOMC news. Now, I saw this as an inducement, then I mapped this out, this level, as my other block, because market have tested this breaker block. So, considering this as an inducement, so I'm waiting for market to come and tap here and then drop. But when I see this, because of FOMC, it's not a normal trading time, normal trading hour, I said, okay, I need to be safe in this market. I have to go to my 30 minutes time frame. Coming to my 30 minutes time frame, same thing 4 hours is saying is what 30 minutes is saying. And this level is very, very nice. Because of FOMC, I still need to be very, very careful. Now, this level and this level, I'm seeing a gap. I said, okay, fine, nice. Let me keep going down. I came to my 15 minutes time frame at this level. I'm still seeing same gap, but I'm not seeing a proper order block resting at this level for me to place my sell position. Instead, I'm seeing this inducement, order block, favor, everything is waiting for me at this level. I say, okay, let me go to my 5 minutes time frame for more confirmation. So now coming to my 5 minutes time frame, I've seen that yeah, this level is an inducement. Markets have not tested this other block. I say, okay, I now mapped it out, stop loss above. Till my stop loss was 13 pips. You understand? Now, what did market do? Market just came, sweep me out, hitting stop loss, then on a massive drop that day. This was FOMC. Now, I hit this stop loss with FOMC, and I think, which other, I think yeah, I think, okay, yeah, there is only, this trade, I was holding this move with other two pair, something like, but other two pair couldn't hit my stop loss during the whole FOMC. I hit stop loss after the FOMC the following day. Something in this forex market is that some people don't really show their bad results online. They only show winnings all the time. That is very, very nice. When you lose, show lose and show the reason why you lose. Why I lose this trade is not because of my strategy is not working, it's because of market manipulation, news trading, and all that. And me, I don't like trading in news. I always like being in the move before news. But I think this was kind of the move was tempting me that market may come to this level, tap in, and then drop based on FOMC. So after I did stop loss that day, I said, okay, no issue, we move. So I was, I closed out my chart and the following day I open chart, I saw that at that same level I mapped out, market just came, tapped there, dropping. along the line, market gave me a break of structure at this level. Now, when I saw this break of structure, I was looking for that inducement. What's that inducement? This. Market came, tapping, drop. Now, seeing this inducement, because I hit stop loss the other day, this is supposed to be my entry point at this level. But because I want to be very careful in the market, because I think that day was Thursday, something like that, then I need to be very much careful. I have to still come down to my 15 minutes time frame for more for more confirmation. I say, okay, because of this is an inducement. Market are giving me an inducement, even two break of structure, first break of structure, and then second break of structure at this level. Now, I don't play with double break of structure in the market. I don't play with it. So now, after these two things happen, I say, okay, let me place my entry point at this level, this breaker block, even though market have tested, but market have not tested this other block after generating an what is it called, an inducement at this level. So market came close to my point of interest and drop. I say, are you sure I'm not missing this move? I say, anyway, my entry point is entry point. If I miss it, fine. Um, Fortunately, market just came, tap my point of interest. I wasn't even on much drawdown then. Market just came all the way, didn't waste much time, and then hit my TP at this level. Then I've already mapped out this zone on higher time frame. This was where I was expecting markets to come. Then I'll start buying in the market. Then I've already mapped out these zones as my inducement. Can you see it? This level as my point of interest. So I think I'm on this move since Friday. So hoping that we need a push to the upside to this level, because this is a proper break of structure to the upside. So this retracement I was looking for, I got it, even though after this first stop loss, then the second move gave me something very nice. Then I'm on this buy on Euro USD. So let's see how this Euro USD will go. I think also on AUD card, I don't know if I can be able to AUD card. Also on the AUD card, yeah, I think the same thing, same concept from a higher time frame, down to a lower time frame. The same thing happened here, break of structure, and all that markets. So on my next video, I'll still explain more things, about this strategy. So if today is your first time coming to my video, kindly click the subscribe button so that um, when I drop the next video, you'll be able to watch and understand more. So this, I just put this to show you the SL I took on NZD card. Look at it, inducement, market came, hit my stop loss. And so now the stop loss, the mistake I did on this move was this. I didn't know that markets was reacting from a very strong zone, strong level, which is here. Market was reacting from a very strong zone. I map out this zone. This was not a proper record. This was a push when markets open and all that. So this was not a proper record structure. So this was the mistake I did on this NZD card. I didn't look clearly that market was reacting from a very huge zone, which is here. You can see this zone. So what I needed to do in this move is looking for sell. Look at it, it was very, very clean and very, very clear. Break of structure at this level, break of structure, inducements, the pullback, and then if you go to lower time frame, it will be more clear. Then this was the point of interest, somewhere here, around here, point of interest. If you go down to a lower time frame, you will understand it more. So now, let's say you come to what is it called? This is a 15 minutes time frame. So coming here now, you will see, can you see? you will see that if you come to your lower time frame, it will be more clear and more visible to your eye that all these things here is a liquidity zone. Hold on. All these stuffs here are liquidity zones. Hold on. Oh shit. All this level here are liquidity zones. I see. Now, if you're 15 minutes time frame after this break of structure here, market came, was dancing around. So all these levels are liquidity zones. So now when you now mark it out, hold on, can you see liquidity zone? So now your entry point should be at this level. When you come down to lower time frame, it's more clear for you. So this was the mistake I did. Okay, this was the big mistake I did. Stop loss below above this high, then you target the low or wherever. You understand? So I didn't know then. That was why I was looking for this buy. It was like it was like a trap for me. Market just came, sweep me out, and then I don't know. So this week we look forward to this week. Let's see what this week will bring. Subscribe to my channel because very soon I'll be dropping more banger videos, about this, some secrets about this strategy. So have a nice day, have a profitable week ahead. I'll be waiting for if you have any issue, questions, and all that. Drop it on the comment section. In my next video, I'll explain and all that. Have a nice day.